Gold day, everyone. Gold day, everyone. Jinfrix here. Welcome to another session of your Trading Grimoire. So, are you ready to trade Forex in the simplest way possible? So, in this session, we'll discuss about how you can make your trading approach simple as possible. So, we titled this session to be Asta's Wisdom. Keep it simple, stupid. So, this is the KISS principle. Um, just a brief introduction or overview why we did this Trading Grimoire Black Clover inspired. So Black Clover is an anime. Kung sa mga hindi pa nakakalam, anime siya. So mahilig sa mga anime dyan, I think you already watched this anime. So Asta is the protagonist of this anime. So very simple-minded individual. So yung Black Clover pala is about isang lugar yon, isang kingdom na puro ang mga tao may magic. Okay? And this character, si Asta, siya lang yung yung tao doon na walang magic, walang ka-magic-magic, but gusto niya maging Magic Knight. So yung Magic Knight is like yung mga nagpo-protect sa kingdom with their magic. So, si Asta gusto niya maging Magic Knight kahit wala siyang magic. So, bakit ito yung napili ko? Dahil same as sa atin, ay, hindi naman natin line talaga tong pagtitrade, 'di ba? So, some of you are working masyado malayo sa trading or sa forex or sa financial markets. And then napunta tayo dito in sa goal natin na financial freedom or gusto natin kumita, sideline, mga ganon. So, just like Asta in a character, para din tayong walang magic kasi wala naman tayong formal background dito sa trading. So, di ba parang related. So, so much for that. May share akong quote na naman before we formally start our session. So, ito yung sabi ni Asta. Until I get what I want, I will not give up. Not giving up is my only magic. Diba? Napakaganda. Kung internalize natin talaga yung mga words dito. Some animes give a lot of motivation talaga para sa ano. Maganda siya. So nahilig ako sa anime because of yun, sa mga motivation nila no. Kahit ano. Tsaka ano din, yung mga depende na din sa hilig ninyo. So dito naman sabi niya sa quote. So para sa atin din. So until we get what we want, we should never give up. So sa trading journey natin, I guess some of you naka-experience na ng sunog, some of you naka-experience na ng stress, yung parang wala talaga siguro akong pag-asa dito, mali siguro yung pinasok ko, 'di ba? Ganun yung mga nasa isip natin when we are on a losing streak. Okay? But always remember, until we get what we want, we will never give up. Yun lang yung pinaka-magic natin dito. But make sure no na hindi ano naman in vain yung mga efforts nyo. By enrolling in this program, I guess meron na kayong mapapansin na improvement sa trading journey nyo pag natapos natin yung mga lessons natin dito. Okay? So, continuous learning lang, no? Continuous learning. And when you experience losses, don't give up. And then, wag din kayong palipat-lipat nung strategy. So now you are under Jinfrix mentorship. Focus on our system. Now, focus ka lang dito. I'm pretty sure na your trading will improve soon. Okay? So, focus lang. Huwag kayong kung sample, naka-stop loss kayo ng isa, dalawa, tatlong beses. Or isang buwan na puro talo. I guess, hindi naman siguro mangyayari sa inyo yun. 'Di ba? So, discipline lang. Okay? So, for this lesson, the objective is to teach traders how to let go of their reliance on indicators and traditional trading systems. So baka meron kayong ginagamit na indicators dyan, tatanggalin natin yung lahat. If you wanna be a Magic Knight, so tanggalin natin yung lahat ng mga pagulo sa chart nyo. So this is I guess marami akong nakakaaway dito pag sinabi nating tanggalin lahat ng indicators. But meron naman din tayong makitang mga trading system which do not rely on indicators as well. Diba? So, if you're relying on indicators right now, better forget all your mga na-learn dyan sa paggamit ng indicators. And if you want to be serious about this, tanggalin nyo yan sa chart nyo ngayon mismo, no? Pagkatapos ng lesson or during this lesson, you can remove all your indicators in your chart. No? Kasi once na may ginagamit ka dyan na mga guhit-guhit, then you would never understand the concepts na ituturo natin. Okay? So let's proceed. So the contents of this, number one, embrace the anti-magic. So liberate yourself through letting go. So kasi yung tingin ko kasi sa mga indicator parang magic yan, you know. Parang magic din yan. So, what is magic? No? Yung parang gusto mo, oh, mag-appear dyan, appear agad without doing anything. Ganun gusto natin, no? Maging profitable sa Forex without doing anything, which is impossible. Okay, I will teach you here how to liberate yourself through letting go. So, i-let go natin yung mga magic ano natin, inclinations. So, indicators are market condition dependent. I-explain ko yan mamaya. Indicators overcomplicate a simple process. I-explain ko mamaya kung gaano kasimple yung process nung pagde-trade. So, indicators distract you from what is important. You can see it in the chart mamaya kung bakit ko nasabing nakaka-distract yan from what is important. Psychology drives the market. Sorry. So psychology drives the market. Price, volume, and sentiment is all you need. So yan yung lahat ng content ng ating session ngayon. I hope na may makuha kayo dito kahit konti. Okay? So in today's world, the trading landscape is constantly evolving and can be overwhelming for traders to keep up with the latest trends and strategies. The use of indicators and traditional traces has been popularized in the past, but these approaches may not be suitable for everyone. So dati-dati, okay, if you're already trading, I guess mga matagal na. So kung nagsimula kayo sa stock market, kasi ako nagsimula ako sa stock market, and the strategy that I learned doon sa stock market is to rely on indicators. I really don't focus on the price, but kung pag sinabi na ni indicator na ganito, yun, magbabuy na ako, magsisell na ako. So, I was heavily indicator based yun dati, indicator reliant. And soon enough, na realize ko na, yeah, what a waste, di ba? So, at least, dumaan ako doon sa process na yun so that I could be better, a better trader. So, kung ikaw hindi ka pa nakaranas ng ganun, um, I recommend na wag nyo na lang subukan kasi masasayang yung oras nyo, di ba? So this lesson will guide you through the process of letting go of old habits and exploring new possibilities in the world of trading. So this is not a typical na sabihin, I will give you three indicators combination, then you can trade profitably kahit yun lang babantayan. No. This system requires you to be focused, requires a lot of work, requires a lot of practice. Kaya nga, yung lessons natin is hindi one time na lesson like isang oras, ganito, 3 oras. Hindi, because this is a continuous process. So, I'm offering you a lifetime mentorship dun sa classroom natin. You have a lifetime access there. And the lessons are yung parang progressive na ano, parang dahan-dahan na lessons. So, I will inject you lessons every day para ano, ma-build yung foundation. Kasi wala namang ano eh, wala namang isang buhos lang yun magiging magbabago na agad yung ah, trading habits. Hindi. So we're gonna inject you with the right mindset and approach. Okay? So you can achieve greater trades and reach your financial goals eventually. So daan-daan lang. Patience is the key here. Okay? Wala naman limit kung kailan matatapos yung classroom kasi andyan yan for the whole year, for the whole, I guess, kung hindi mag-down yung Google, andyan lang yung classroom. And lessons will be updated, lessons will be injected every single week. So don't worry, kung ngayon meron pa kayong nakita dyan, ay kulang pa yung iba. No, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. So, staggered yung lessons because if I post all the lessons there, uubusin nyo yan. And then eventually you'll forget about it. Okay? So kailangan natin may lesson ngayon, may activity so that you can absorb the lessons well. So much for that. Dito na tayo. Mahaba na yung video natin. So let's get started. So nakita nyo na ba yung makulay na chart na ganito? So it's a mga indicators yan, no? Meron kang stochastics, meron kang, I don't know, ano pa bang ibang nandyan. So many traders often rely on indicators to make decisions about when to buy or sell. I guess some of you are guilty about this. Ako, guilty ako dito. Like dati, nakarely lang talaga ako when the MA cross, yun yung indicator na magko-cross na yun. That's the time to buy or sell. I don't know the reason why to buy or sell. Basta kay na ano na yun, nag-cross yun na yun. Di ba? So, indicator-based strategies are market condition dependent. I'm not saying na hindi ka magiging profitable in using indicators. It may work for a certain market movement. Example, the trending market. So, the indicators are kung nagamit mo indicators for trending market, then you can be profitable sa trending market, di ba? So it may work for a certain market. But when market condition or movement change, you probably lose your account. So sample yung nagagamit mo indicator is for a trending market and then nag-range ang market. So panay stop loss ka or walang mangyayari sa'yo. Or if you're using an indicator-based system na for ranging market, so nagre-range yung market, and then biglang nag-breakout, doon magdo-drawdown ka, 'di ba? And then you will ask yourself, what could be wrong? No? Should I add more indicator? So kulang pa ba yung tatlo? Gawin nating apat, o lima, or anim na confluences. So, magiging ganito na yung chart mo. Hindi mo na alam kung ano yung pinaglalagay mong indicator sa dami nila, 'di ba? So when I started here in Forex, meron tayong mga automated system, 'di ba? And then we tried to develop a system na indicator based. So dinamihan namin indicator para lang ma-filter talaga the best entry as much as possible. But yung nangyari is, yun nga, the indicator-based trading system is market condition dependent. Once na mag-change yung market sentiment, once na mag-change yung market movement, yung indicator-based system mo will eventually fail. So, kailangan natin maging adaptive sa market, 'di ba? Like, uy, nagre-ranging na siya. So, you can identify sa price chart. Kaya nga inuna natin yung market movement, tsaka yung mga the beast of the financial markets, yung support and resistances. Kasi para at least alam natin kung ano yung mga movement ni market and saan yung mga support and resistances para makita natin na is this market changing? Na nagre-reversal na ba to? Nagre-ranging ba to? Nagte-trending ba to? So that we can properly apply kung ano yung strategy na the best for it. Okay? So we have a strategy for trending, we have a strategy for ranging. So if you rely only on an indicator na combination, hindi natin malalaman if trending na si market or ranging na si market. Okay? So number two, or number three na ba to? So indicators overcomplicate a simple process. So ano ba yung process nung pagtitrade? So the trading is only about buying and selling at a certain price. 'Di ba napakasimple? Meron ngang quote, 'di ba, no? The trading is simple, but it is not easy. So simple lang siya. The concept is simple. You buy and you sell, 'di ba? You buy at a certain price, you sell it higher, 'di ba? Para may gain ka. You sell at a certain price and you sell it lower para may gain ka, 'di ba? That's simple. Buying and selling at a certain price. So all relevant factors such as economic data, mga geopolitical events, and investor sentiment are reflected in the price. Nandun sa price na siya, 'di ba? Sige. Kasi yung gagawin mo lang mag-buy at mag-sell saan? At a certain price. So yung price pala may meaning 'yun. So once the price go to that level, may meaning 'yun. So all relevant factors nare-reflect dun sa price, not on your indicator. Kasi yung indicator is based on the price. So, hindi magpiprint si indicator ng value niya unless mag hindi hindi walang price yung asset na yon, 'di ba? So here, can you see the price in this chart? Kita nyo ba? So kung pupunuin nyo ng indicator yung chart nyo, makikita nyo ba yung price dito? So you don't even know where to look, 'di ba? So as a beginner, hindi mo maalaman kung saan ka titingin. But kung lagi mo na tong gamit, then you could probably identify which. But ang simple process na buying and selling, kinomplicate mo na ngayon. No? Hindi mo na siya, madami ka na, no? Na-overwhelm ka na sa data na nasa chart mo. So how about this one? Right, how about this one? So makita natin, napakalinis sa chart and yeah, the price is clear. I guess meron kayong makikita dito ng mga levels na support and resistances, 'di ba? So, if you master the support and resistances, kung nag-submit ka na dun sa assignment mo sa support resistance, ma-identify mo na ngayon saan yung mga areas of support, saan yung mga areas of resistance, and yung psychological levels, 'di ba? So, napakadali, 'di ba? Simple, malinis, madaling tingnan, and then yeah, too much indicators and distract you from what is important. Okay? And didistract ka because of your indicators. Okay? Ito. Um, if you're using, if you are heavily reliant on indicator, you will not study how prices move, why prices move, and ma-realize mo na lang soon enough na kung lagi ka na lang natatalo is that bakit, tanungin nyo na lang, bakit kaya si indicator ganito yung piniprint? Bakit kaya si price minsan hindi sumusunod sa indicators or minsan hindi? Kasi napapatanong ka, bakit kaya? Bakit kaya yung price nasa level na to? The answer, the answer will not be because of the indicator, but because of, I guess, fundamentals, because the market thinks that dito yung dapat na presyo. So ano yun, no? What drives the market? What drives the market? Is it indicators? Guess not, because indicators will only indicate what the price has done. 'Di ba? Kung ano yung ginawa ni price, i-indicate niya. Like, bumababa si price ng todo. The indicator will tell you that it is going down. 'Di ba? Yung parang indicator nga siya eh. Wala namang indicator na nauuna. 'Di ba? So, or ano ba yung nagda-drive talaga? So, it is psychology, uncertainty, fear, greed, and doubt. Well, when there's fear, when there's greed in the market, when there's doubt, when there's uncertainty, the price is volatile, di ba? Magbo-volatile si market. Uy, ang lakas ni gold ngayon, oh. Ang haba ng mga candles. Bakit kaya? Because of news, okay? Or may ni-release na speech si nag-speech si Powell. Oh, there's uncertainty in the market. So kaya nagwi-wick up and down si price. Ba, yun yung mga driver ng market. So, psychology drives the market. Okay? What market participants do is illustrated via the price on your chart. Okay? Uh, yung presyo, pag tinitingnan mo siya, kung yun lang yung tinitingnan mo, you will realize soon na, oh, yun nga, gumagawa ng ganito yung market. So, the market is always right. So, ano ba yung market? Tayong lahat. The psychology of all the traders nare-reflect doon sa price. So, are you executing your trades based on psychology or based on signals from your indicators? So, tanong nyo sa sarili nyo, are you executing your trades based on psychology or based on signals from your indicators? So, if you're doing it based on signals from your indicators, how are you doing right now? Diba? Or based on psychology. So kung so based sa psychology, how are you doing right now? So what is your status? Kung consistent ka ba or inconsistent pa rin? Okay? So for me, psychology is king. Okay? Psychology is king. While indicators can provide valuable insight, it's important to recognize their limitations and understand why trading with indicators alone limits your success. So hindi pwedeng reliant only no dun sa indicators. Don't get me wrong here. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi profitable gumamit ng indicators. I'm just saying na indicators alone will limit your success, 'di ba? Kung indicator alone ka lang. So life is really simple, but we insist of making it complicated. So gusto natin ng ganito, 'di ba? So life is really simple. Napakaganda ng sinabi ni Confucius dito that life is really simple, but we insist of making it complicated. Diba? Ano na yan eh, it's reflective on our um, world today, 'di ba? So sa sample lang ha, sample lang. Sa sasakyan, the concept of having a car is simple, 'di ba? It drives you from point A to point B. Pero ngayon, tita nyo yung features ng mga sasakyan. They have a they have big screens, 'di ba? May touch screen ka doon na napakalaki, which is you don't really need. Bakit? Nadidistract ka dun sa malaki mong screen because the focus should be sa road. Why would you put a big screen on inside of your car? Hindi mo naman titingnan yon kasi nakatingin ka most of the time dun sa road. And also, they're putting magagandang speaker. Why would you need a speaker? You need to be on a lookout by sight and hearing sa labas, di ba? So, hindi mo magandang quality nung speaker mo, hindi mo ma-maximize yun since you're driving. Okay? Most of the time, you use a car for driving. Eh, hindi naman yun relaxation, no? Hindi ka naman pupunta doon. Ah, depende sa inyo. Okay? But for me, yun nga. Life is really simple but we insist of making it complicated. Nakakomplicate na yung buhay natin because of some, like, kahit kung ano-ano na lang yung mga naiisipan natin. 'Di ba? Kahit nga sa mga motor natin, lagyan ng speaker, lagyan ng malaking screen doon, which is very distracted. Ma-distract ka na lang. Okay? Just like in the charts. So, kasi pag nakita natin na puro tayo pag nakikita natin na maganda yung chart natin, maraming drawing parang magiging profitable tayo. So, remove the clutter. Okay, I recommend you to remove the clutter and focus on what is important. Okay, what is important? Ano kaya yung importante? Focus on these three things. Price, candles tells the story. Okay, focus on the price. Papakita ni price yung story ng market. So what are the market participant sentiment? What is the market doing right now? So focus on volume. So proper timing. So the next session is the temporal precision. Abangan nyo yung next session natin, which is the temporal precision, proper timing. So yun yung volume, the proper timing there, and the remove the clutter. Focus on what is important. So ano ba yung importante? Focus on these three things. Three things. The price, number one is the price. The candles tells the story. Okay? Number one, price. Focus on the price. Okay, papakita ni price kung ano yung market sentiment, ano yung structure ng market ngayon. Number two is the volume. Focus on proper timing. Alamin mo kung kailan ka mag-execute ng trades. Kung kailan may laman yung market. Okay? Kung kailan andyan yung volume. So, I guess na-discuss na natin tong volume. No? Volume. Proper timing. So, the next session, sa sunod ng Asta's Wisdom is the temporal precision. Doon ituturo ko sa inyo paano yung or saan yung proper timing. But andun yung sa previous session natin sa beast of the financial markets. Na-discuss ko na konti doon that meron na tayong table doon, di ba? So, nandun yung proper timing. Then next is number three is the sentiment. Okay? Fundamentals are catalyst. Okay, ano yung magpapagalaw sa presyo na yan? Bakit? Sample, may na-label ka na na support doon. Bakit siya pupunta sa support na yon? What will be your catalyst? Anong magtutulak doon? No, yung indicator mo, hindi magtutulak yan. Ang magtutulak nun is the news events. Okay? So, three things that you should focus on. Number one is the price. Number two is the volume. And number three is the sentiment. Tatlo lang. Price, volume, and the sentiment. So, the only indicator you should be using. So, ito yon, no? Yung indicator na gagamitin mo. Aside from yung ni-recommend ko na indicator na, ano, na pwede nyo gamitin to have the proper timing dun sa lesson 2. The only indicator you should be using right now is the only indicator you should be using is eto na, pinakamalupit na indicator is your eye indicator. Di ba? Gamitin mo yung mata mo. So, huwag kang maging tamad. Don't be lazy. Use your eyes. Use your, ano, i-analyze mo siya. Okay? Make sense, no? Develop a sense of the market by training. Develop a sense of the market by training your eyes to focus on what is important. Okay? So focus on what is important. Okay? Train your eyes to focus on what is important. Ano ba yung importante? Price, volume, price, volume, and market sentiment. Okay? Focus on that. Okay, the only indicator you should be using, ito na yon. Okay? Aside from yung recommended natin na indicator is uh, yung ano, yung sessions indicator. Aside from doon, this is the only indicator you should be using. Ito lang ha. Uh, ito na. Is your eye indicator. Okay? Gamitin mo yung mata mo. Gamitin mo yung utak mo para mag-analyze. Gamitin mo yung mata mo para makita mo yung presyo. Okay? So you will develop a sense of the market. Wag lagi mo siyang ginagamit. Okay? By training your eyes to focus on what is important. So yung eye indicator mo, i-train mo na makakita ng support, i-train mo na makakita ng resistance, i-train mo na makaka-identify ng trend like uptrend, downtrend, or ranging market. So, i-train mo yung mata mo para mag-focus on what is important. Especially the price, the volume, and yung market sentiment. So, price, volume, market sentiment. Wag niyong kalimutan yun ha. So, if you want to be a great Magic Night trader, ito yung number one requirement. If you want to become a great Magic Night trader, a clean chart is a must. Okay? Kailangan malinis yung chart mo. Okay, starting from ngayon, no? Linisin mo na yung chart mo. Tanggalin mo lahat ng indicators. Focus on the lessons that we are conducting. Focus ka dun sa eye indicator mo. Okay? Identify the proper support and resistance level using only your eyes. Okay? Identify the market structure using only your eyes. Okay? Huwag ka nang maglagay ng mga indicators dyan to tell you where's the support, to tell you where is the resistance. Identify it using your eyes. I know it's not that easy, but it's very simple process. Review nyo yung support and resistance if you are in doubt kung nasaan yung support and resistance. Answer the lesson 2 assignment kasi meron dong support and resistance na activity, and I will provide feedback sa inyo doon so that ma-practice yung pag-identify nyo ng support resistance. Also, we have a video sa Google Classroom natin identifying support resistance. You can check the video on that no, yung topic kasi meron dong actual application no, kung paano i-plot yung support and resistance. Right? Dapat ganito na yung chart nyo sunod, no? Malinis, wala indicator, walang pagulo. So whatever you do, keep it simple by Jinfrex. So kahit kahit saang parte ng buhay mo or kahit anong aspect ng buhay mo, whatever you do, keep it simple. So the simpler, the better. The better execution, the better analysis you will make, the the simpler your process, the simpler na-execute yun. Okay? Always remember, risk varies inversely with knowledge. So Irving Fisher, kaya continuous learning lang, continuously increase your knowledge so that you lower your risk. So once again, this is Jinfrix. Thank you everyone. See you in the next session.